Have you ever heard a contractor say that they use subcontractors and immediately felt unsure about it? Does that mean lower quality, or is there more to the story? In this video, we're going to explain why we use subcontractor, how it actually works, and what it means for your projects. By the end, you'll understand how subcontractors can improve quality and how to tell if a company is managing them the right way. Hi, I'm Bob Hoel with Hoel Roofing Remodeling. What it means when a company uses some subcontractors is they are not employees of that business. So it's a very common practice in the roofing and construction space. You may ask, then why do you choose to use subcontractors? We do such a big variety of things when it comes to remodeling and windows, siding and roofing and gutters that we hire specialized crews that only focus on, let's say, framing or roofing or drywall. Same thing, siding, gutters, all that kind of stuff. So it's also easier for us to continue to get jobs done and serve more people, and just makes the scheduling a little more flexible. It's just, at the end of the day, it's putting the right crew that knows how to do that specific project on your project. Does using subcontractors affect quality? It can actually make it better quality, in my opinion, because I've been out to job sites that it was literally one time, this lady told me her electrician was slow, so she hired him to put a roof on. And then they called us and had us come back out and fix that kind of stuff. So the nice thing about using subcontractors is the roofing crews are trained for roofing, the siding crews are trained for siding and framing, etc. So you may ask, how do we ensure quality and consistency with our subcontractors? I'm very proud of this. I can name off several subcontractors that's worked with me and Emily and Hoel Roofing now for over 7 years. So that's just something I'm extremely proud of. Roofing crews, gutter crew, siding crews, just literally almost all of them we've had for 5 to 7 years. They are ongoing relationships. They're not just, around here it's more than just, getting work done and paying for jobs. Like, we build relationships. I get to know our subcontractors and join them as part of the Hoel Roofing family. We have an entire what we call production or operations team, led right now currently by Emily and Ellie, and then they have other people that help them that go out in the field. You'll see Emily out in the field quite a bit. Ellie goes out there some. So we're out there, we're taking pictures, we're inspecting, and just making sure that whatever the homeowner wanted done, if there's any special instructions, that they're getting taken care of. Who's responsible if something goes wrong? At the end of the day, Hoel Roofing and Remodeling, we are responsible. We carry workman's comp insurance. We carry a larger general liability insurance than most companies. So at the end of the day, it's Hoel Roofing and Remodeling. If you want to know what some good questions are to ask any contractor about the subcontractors they're using, ask them if they're actually insured. We actually get a lot of subcontractors reaching out that well, I don't have to be insured for this other company. Well, to work for us, you have to be insured. So that's more protective for my insurance at the end of the day. Once again, another question, ask them how long have they worked with that subcontractor? The problem is when things get really busy, crews will start showing up from Texas to try to do roofing, and it's way different of how you put a roof on in Texas than you do Indiana. They don't have to worry about snow. They don't have to worry about ice in Texas. So there's just some extra steps that we take. Who supervises the job? Whenever you're talking to a contractor that uses subcontractors, are they just sending a crew out and not showing up, not knowing what's going on? And then the most important question for you to know is, who do I call if there is an issue? Using subcontractors isn't a red flag. It's how they're managed that makes all the difference. The right systems, standards, and accountability are what ensure a great result. If you want to learn more about how we work with our crews, check out the link in the description below or give us a call at 765-561-0500. 888-4023 and we'll walk you through our process.